here we have a AP One AX. So this is the Wi-Fi 6 access point from Pepwave. Let's get out of the bag. There's the access point. And then under here we've got some brackets and some screws. Let me get rid of the box. So here's the access point itself. Plastic front, cast aluminium rear, acting as a bit of a heatsink there. We've got DC 12 volts in, and we've got PoE in as well. And then we've got some wall plugs and screws. And we've got two brackets. Let's have a look at these. So they look very similar, but they actually do slightly different things. So this one, that is the wall mount bracket, and these fit like this. They clip into the back. So you can go bang up against the wall with the bracket. You've got a little clip there which you can lift it off with, and you've got the two holes, so you'd screw that to the wall and then slide the access point down on top. And the other one works in exactly the same way, in that it slides into the same place on the access point, but then this is designed to actually clip into the little bars in between suspended ceilings. So you'd align it to the bar, and then you twist and it clicks, and then it's supported by the suspended ceiling itself. It's quite clever. I haven't seen that before. Yeah, and that's the Wi-Fi 6 AP. I think it's really nice. I think it's got a good look about it.